Hello all, so let's finally do the exterior facelift of this car that you have been asking for so long. And we will start with the rear, and that's pretty straightforward, but I will go into the taillights. I've chosen to go for the aftermarket taillights, and I will try to give you the pros and cons on going original or aftermarket. So for the aftermarket version, it's straight on plug and play, no error codes or anything. You don't have to code the car or anything, just plug it in and everything works. So what's not so good about them? Well, the only thing is that it doesn't say Mercedes-Benz here on the side, and you don't get this animation when you start up the car, but instead you get the dynamic blinkers down here. And to me, I think I have more use of the dynamic blinkers down here than the animation up here. So that's why I choose to go for these, and of course that they are so easy to install. And if you choose to go with originals, well, then you have the Mercedes-Benz logo, you have the animation here, you don't have the dynamic blinkers, and you have to repin all the cables in the connector. You have to replace the connector with a new one that fits the new original taillight, and you have to code the rear SAM of the car. This is all included in our kit that we sell on our site for the facelift for both headlights and taillights. So now let's do this. So now first we take this one off. It just clicks off like that. Just this, it clicks off. And for you guys that have the fridge, that one has to come out, of course. Here we have one rivet here, one rivet here. I have already taken them out. And now this one has to come out. We have one screw there and one screw there. We have one rivet here, one screw here, and two rivets up here. Take out the cable for the taillight. And here you can see how you take out the taillight. You have these bolts, one here, one here, one here, and one up here. Simple as that. So now when the taillight is taken out, you have access to all these flaps here. All these have to be loosened to get this one out. And if you have the high-end Burmester sound system, you have the subwoofer here. And this cover you take out by taking out this screw down here, then 2 rivets up here. And you just pull it out. And to remove this one, you take this one out and these 2. Just put it away like that, and now we can take out the light. So now we go into here. Now we take out this rivet down here and this rivet here. So now we can access the screw that is in here. And now you can just pull the bumper straight out. Like that. Now underneath we take this one out and this one, and then we take this cover off to get the 2 screws that are in here. We have these 2, one here and one here. And this top one sits with the screw right in here. And then on top there's a screw sitting straight in like that. You take this rubber grommet out. Here use a magnet. So now we need to remove all the electronics from the old bumper. We will use the same pipes, I hope. And as you can see here, these sit in a totally different place. So these we actually have to transfer to the new bumper from this old one. We have the fog light. We have the foot sensor to open the trunk and all these things. And all these brackets now needs to be removed and installed on the new bumper. Choose the AMG look carbon fiber because I don't really like the Brabus one. I think it's a little bit too much. So I will actually send for this one. And here you can see the big difference on the bracket for the radar sensor. That's the new, and that's how the old sits. So we have to glue this one into place here, or we will have problems. So now we will add these parts. This one goes here, clicks in place, and then you have screws in here. And then you have these. And these sits with rivets. And then we add this side skirt, goes in under here, like that. Then you add this carbon fiber underneath. So I added the fog light. Now I'm adding the foot activator trunk lid opener thingy. It's this one, sits here, and this one here. So now I have removed the other bracket, that one, and I will add the old one right here. Not that hard. The hard part is to get it to stick there.
girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
And that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like. And don't miss out on the Instagram account where you get some previews. And until the next one, see you.